Hey guys, Preston here. So today I just wanted to do a video on something real quick. It's my fire kit. So I just wanted to kind of go over and show y'all what I've got going on in here. And by the way, this is excluding a ferro rod. I might carry that in my pocket, not in this kit though. So anyway, yeah, let's just get to it. So this leather pouch right here, I made this myself. Jimmy from Problem Outdoor Skills kind of gave me some ideas on working with leather and making some pouches, so I kind of took off of that and just made this pouch here. It turned out to be pretty nice. I'm happy with it. Just drawstrings here. So we'll open this up, and I'll also tell you what makes this pouch useful, because in a second it's going to seem illogical because I have a Altoids tin. But this just kind of helps keep water off of this, keeps this dry, which could be useful. And it's also used for something else, but we'll get to that. Alright, so this is the tin, just a plain old basics Altoids style tin. This one's not an Altoids brand one, but anyway, it doesn't matter. So we'll open this up. First off, there's my bank line right there. And then inside the tin, I've got a bearing. I have 2 rocks. I have my steel, and I've got some truck cloth. So I'll show you all that. Just lay all this stuff over here. Alright, so here's my steel. This was a gift from Jimmy. It's just a file here. It's been cut down to fit in this tin, and this side has all its teeth removed. And you can strike the rock really well with this to get a good spark going. And you know, why don't we just go ahead and demonstrate this? Please forgive me if this looks, or if this doesn't go too well, because it's been a little while since I got to mess around with this kit here. So you take it and you just pinch that char cloth there, and take your steel and you just kind of first strike. All right. So right there, don't know if you can see, I got my ember going. Check that out. So yeah, really easy. Take that, drop this in a Tinder bundle, and yeah, so the light's getting all, there we go. Anyway, so that's how the flint and steel goes. Really easy. You just scrape this like that and it'll throw some sparks. And yeah, spark your char cloth. Now we have a bearing and some bank line in this little fire kit. This is for a bow drill, and this is all you really need, as well as a knife, of course, if you're doing a bow drill. And you just make your bow, your spindle, your hearth board, and what you do is you'll put the bearing on top of the spindle, and then I cup that with this leather. So I'll fold this leather up like this, put the bearing right there, palm of my hand, gripping the spindle as I use the bow that has the bank line, and that really works quite well. So yeah, that is my little fire kit, and so far it's been great. Very useful, easy. All you need is some cedar bark, and you're good to go. Nothing really else to say about it. I just like it and wanted to share it with y'all and just kind of show you what I use. Also, you can use a piece of wood. I've got plenty up here. If you take this piece of good cedar like this, you split that. Look at this wood. It's awesome. And you carve a very thin, very gentle feather stick with lots of little curls. And if you can't get the curls tight enough, you could do some scrapings with the spine of your knife to get some fuzzies, and you just put it in there, and you get your ember, like the ember I dropped over there, or a bow drill coal, and you just drop it in there and blow that into flame. Lights up real fast, burns up quick because it's cedar. So that tinder bundle, you gotta have a lot of fine materials to kind of build that up, or you can just go with the cedar bark tinder bundle and blow that big massive thing into flame. Either way, guys, I really like starting fires with an ember. I think it's great, and even if it's pouring rain, down inside of this wood it's going to be dry, so you'll always have a dry source of fuel for that kit. And yeah, it's enjoyable, and it's fun skills to learn, and I really recommend you get out there and try them. But anyway, I think we ought to just go ahead and cut this video now. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and God bless.